Good evening, Chargers. I hope you are all having a great first couple of days back now that we've gotten through all 7 of our class periods. You guys can be functional students once more. We are getting ourselves back into the swing of things. And with that in mind, I know that you guys have a lot of boxes on your screens right now, and you're wondering, what am I going to do with all of this? Well, if you follow these simple steps, you can get yourself right back to where you are, nice and organized with classes where you want them. So once you get into Schoology, you come up here to courses. So I'm going to do it again so that way you can see it all. I'm in courses and I see my courses. I'm going to go over here to my courses. Now, I can see all of the courses that I have. I've got a bunch of different things, but I don't like the order of them. So I come over here to the side and I reorder courses. Now I can put them in the right order that I need. Do I need to have my page first? Well, maybe, because do I go to it a lot? Not so much. So maybe I might scoot that one down. Okay. But I have the classes that I do need, things that I do need are down here, way past this big line. So you'll see here where it says courses that appear below this line will not appear in the courses dropdown. The courses drop down in those boxes you saw at the beginning. So with these classes, so for example, Outdoor Club, I'm going to move Outdoor Club all the way up. So now it's going to be in my first box spot. Okay, so you can see how I did that. And now if you go back to my courses, look, Outdoors Club is in the first spot. So it's really a super easy thing to do. It only takes about a minute for you to get organized, and then you are back in business, be able to get to all the classes that you need. Have a great day, guys.